In this video we will learn how to prepare chart. So this is a typical chart, how to prepare that. Suppose in a financial year you have some investment and you have earned some interest. So this is financial year wise. This is the investment and you have some accrued interest. So if you want to represent in a graphical form, then suppose in this form, investment versus interest, so you can do that with the help of Microsoft Excel. Okay, how to do that? Let's delete this one. Okay, for this you need to go here, insert tab. Now select the data. Suppose I want to plot investment and interest, these two series. So series 1 investment, series 2 interest. I want to see against each and every investment what is my interest. So this is the figure, and we will go for the graphical presentation. Here is the column, and you can select anyone. So different presentations are available. Suppose the first one like this. So it came. So as you can see, this is the first series. This is the first series 1 and series 2. So series 1 is the investment. You can see here 40,000 in the is the investment, and against the investment, you have earned the interest of 2,400. So this small figure is 2,400 value. Likewise, this investment second financial year, investment is 25,000 and interest is 1,500. So in this way you can plot the graph here. Also you can change the color. So here if you want to show the figures also, this is also available here, and also this is for changing the color. And if you want to change the type, suppose you want in pie, this pie format, suppose this one. Okay, so these are the figures 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, or you can select any other type also. This is the investment trend. So this is the investment trend. So it will be easier to understand. How much you have invested, or what is the trend of your investment, and against it what is the interest. Okay, so different presentations are available here. So, okay, now you can add also here another column. Suppose investment interest, suppose it is TDS, tax deducted at source. Suppose this is 1,000, this is 600, suppose 4,000, 2,500, 3,000. So if you want to present it in terms of graphical presentation, so select here, insert, go to column and click here. So you can see there are three series 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, so series 1 is the investment, series 2 is the interest accrued, and series 3 is the TDS. So with the with each and every value, you can see there are three figures for each financial year. So in this way you can compare what is your investment, and what is the interest you have gained, or what is the TDS deducted from your salary or from your business profit. So likewise you can create a different chart.